Power generation facilities are the backbone of our world's energy supply. From coal and gas to wind, solar, hydro, and nuclear, every plant plays a critical role in keeping electricity flowing across the globe.
The power generation segment overall is a naturally abusive segment. Amphenol TPC wire and cable has solutions for extreme flexing, extreme abrasion, oils and chemicals, high temperature and flame.
We're no stranger to harsh environments. Every abuse is considered when we design a product.
Whether it's the more robust jacket, insulation materials, or stranding, all of these things are taken into consideration when we design our products.
Our customers choose ATPC for high-performance cable products when failure is not an option.
We provide a very high-quality, longer-lasting product which is designed to reduce downtime within the utility market.
When a leading U.S. energy company faced constant weld cable failures, we supplied our SuperTrex 600-volt welding cable. After 22 months, it saved them over $22,000 in materials and labor, while restoring 240 production hours and reducing costly citations. From slip ring harnesses for wind turbines to power cables for nuclear facility maintenance outages, we support applications across every power generation subsegment. And when off-the-shelf doesn't cut it, our engineers deliver custom solutions designed to your environment.
We work with our customers to design custom cable solutions and assemblies, and we have a fully stocked inventory on hand.
Contact us to learn more about our high-performance cable products.